Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is just a POV drive in the Golf R and it's snowing. I'm filming this intro when I've come back and I literally ran inside from the gym, got in the car and it started raining and the snow had actually stopped. But obviously typical, I've come home, I managed to get a little bit at the end where it was still snowing. But yeah, look, this is what I wanted it to be like. Like this. But, of course, it wasn't like this when I went out, which is typical. Fingers crossed it looks alright. I don't really know what to expect, to be honest. I bet it's really short, but yeah. Anyway, I will see you when I'm getting in the car. So I'm just going out in the car. It's still snowing a little bit, but I'm just trying to get some footage driving. I've just driven home and it were a little bit more snowy before. So yeah, I'm going to put you on the window and let's go. So it seems like the snow has stopped, which is so annoying. But anyway, we're out and we're driving. Right. All the snow flying off the front of my car. Try the tunnel run again because it didn't film it. finally got a bit heavier snow, which I should be able to see a little bit more of. Side view. I don't know how we were going to treat the snow then, but it didn't seem to lose any traction. I thought I'd just go outside to film the outro because it's nice and snowy, which is what I wanted when I was going out. But yeah, show you car at the moment, and then the snow coming down, which is all nice. But like I say, I did manage to get some snow, which you'll have seen in the end of the video. There is also a few like car features coming out, so I'm going to be doing things like that this year as well, so I expect to see a lot of them. One with my car, multiple other friends' cars, and if anybody else around here or from wherever wants a video, then let me know and hit me up on my Instagram at lukem.media and we'll get something sorted. Yeah, nice cinematics, nice driving, POVs, all that sort of stuff. Just say, look at that. How cinematic. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoy this, and I will see you in the next video.